Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook watch history. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Facebook app, then make sure that your account is logged into it, okay? Then after that, click on these three little lines on the lower right corner of your screen, and then click settings. Then after that, scroll down until you see activity log. So just go ahead and click that. Then here, you want to choose videos watched. So let's just wait. So here are all of the activity history, okay? So if you want to delete something or a video on your history, just go ahead and click on the three little dots on the right side of it. Okay, then click delete. So that's how you do it. So you can do that multiple times in any videos that you want. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.